Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zoom web portal login problems. First, confirm you are signing in at the correct page, https://zoom.us/signin. Check that your internet connection is stable by opening a few other websites in a new tab. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily, because it can trigger security. Make sure your email and password are typed correctly, and watch for caps lock and keyboard language. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset using your email inbox. Open your email and use the newest reset link, because older links can expire and cause errors. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook to log in, select the same Sign In With button you originally used. If you created your Zoom account with SSO, click Sign In with SSO and enter your company domain exactly. Verify you are not mixing methods, because using password login on an SSO-only account will fail. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Zoom.us, then close and reopen. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extensions, cookies, and saved sessions. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, and password managers, then try again. Update your browser to the latest version, because old versions may break mod. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to isolate a browser-specific issue. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic, because wrong time can block secure login. If you see a too many attempts message, wait 10 to 30 minutes before trying again. If you receive a 403 or access denied error, switch networks or use a mobile hotspot to test IP blocking. If you are on a work or school network, ask IT whether Zoom is restricted. Confirm your Zoom account is active by searching your inbox for the Zoom verification email and completing verification. If your account is new or recently changed, log out from all devices and then sign in again. Open the Zoom desktop app and try signing in there to see if the issue is only on the web portal. If the app works but the web portal does not, focus on browser fixes and cookie clearing again. If you get an account disabled or suspended message, contact your Zoom admin or Zoom support to restore access. If your organization uses 2FA, ensure you have the correct authenticator code and that your authenticator time is synced. If SMS codes are delayed, request a new code and confirm your phone number and country code are correct. Check Zoom service status online to confirm there is no ongoing outage affecting sign-in. If nothing works, collect the exact error message, take a screenshot, and note the time and your login method. Submit a ticket to Zoom support with those details and your account email to speed up resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.